Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today let us we discuss about some problems depend on your book from page number 56. As you are looking, this is 5 upon 9. Now this is 10 upon 18 and 15 upon 27. In this question, two equivalent fractions are given. Okay. Now in this question we will find out other equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. So first we discuss about what is the relation between 5 upon 9 and 10 upon 18. I hope that all are know about the multiplication table. As you know very well, 5 multiplied by 2, it will give to you 10. 9 multiplied by 2, it will give to you 18. So 10 upon 18 is equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. Okay. Now then after we will find out other equivalent fraction. As you know very well, 5 multiplied by 3, it will give to you 15. Again 9 multiplied by 3, it will give to you 27. So 15 upon 27 is equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. Okay. Again we will find out other equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. As you are looking, in first condition we will multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. Then after we will multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator. Again in next step we will multiply by 4 in numerator and denominator. Okay. So 5 multiplied by 4, it will give to you 20. 9 multiplied by 4, it will give to you 36. 20 upon 36 is equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. Okay. Then after we will find out other equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. So 5 multiplied by 5, it will give to you 25. 9 multiplied by 5, it will give to you 45. 25 upon 45 is other equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. Okay. Then after in 5 upon 9 we will multiply by 6 in numerator and denominator. 5 6 is 30, 9 6 is 54. 30 upon 54 is other equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. Okay. Then after in 5 upon 9 multiplied by 7 in numerator and denominator. 5 multiplied by 7, it will give to you 35. 9 multiplied by 7, it will give to you 63. 35 upon 63 is equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. Okay. In all these calculation what you are looking, in all this calculation what you are looking, please keep in mind in every step what you are looking in multiplied by same number, multiplied by same number in numerator and denominator. It is very important point. When you find out the equivalent fraction of any fraction. So what will you do? In multiplied by the same number, multiplied by the same number in numerator and denominator, as you are looking in this solution. Okay, then after, what will you get? Equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9 is 10 upon 18, 15 upon 27, 20 upon 36, 25 upon 45, 30 upon 54 and 35 upon 63. All these are equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9. Okay. Now your next topic is comparing and ordering like fraction. What is the meaning of comparing? Suppose you have two or more than two fraction. Okay. In these fraction, which fraction is bigger or which fraction is smaller? That is called as comparing. That is called as comparing. Okay. Now your topic is comparing and ordering like fraction. What is the meaning of like fraction? The definition is like fraction, the fraction having the same denominator are called like fraction. The fraction having the same denominator are called like fraction. Okay, just I want to give some example to you. It is 5 upon 11, 3 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. All these three fractions are like fraction. All these fractions are like fraction. What is the reason behind? The reason is in all these fraction denominators are equal, that is 11. So all these are like fraction. Now again, according to question, arrange the above fraction in decreasing order. Arrange the above fraction in decreasing order. So my first step, what is the meaning of decreasing? Decreasing means any number arrange in biggest to smallest. When you arrange any number from biggest to smallest, that is called as decreasing order. Okay, as you know very well, all these are like fraction. Now it will be very easy to you the arrange the above fraction in decreasing order. How? Look here, denominators are equal, so you look only numerator, okay. It is numerator 5, this is numerator 3, this is numerator 8. In 3 numerator, which is the biggest numerator? 8 is the biggest numerator. So 8 upon 11 is biggest fraction. 8 upon 11 is biggest fraction. Then after 5 upon 11 is less than 8 upon 11. Okay. Then after 3 upon 11 is less than 5 upon 11. So when you arrange these fraction in decreasing order, so what will you get? 8 upon 11 is bigger than 5 upon 11. 5 upon 11 is bigger than 3 upon 11. Okay. So my dear students, this is the some problems according to the basic point. I hope that it will be very easy to you for your knowledge and for your upcoming exam. And my dear students, just I want to give some information to you. As you know very well, in next month, that is September, from September your term 1 exam will be started. So for term 1 portion, for term 1 maths portion is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. Okay, I hope that all are doing study well. Okay, thank you, God bless you.